Hi everyone, welcome to Kaye Automotive Dealership, and today we are showing you our all new electric vehicles in Kaye brand. This is the one and only automotive plant ng Kaye for the Philippines under Fortune Electric Cars Philippines Corporation. So they are the importer or dealer of this exclusive premium brand, Kaye. And Kaye also is a sister company under Chery Automobile in China. So what you are seeing right now is a premium Kaye X7. This is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. And ito po ay 7-seaters SUV or compact SUV, which runs on a 1.5 turbocharged gasoline and electric vehicle. Ang interior trim niya ay may two variants, which is the beige na makita niyo sa video and napoy dark to gray colored na interior. Then may sunroof and automatic car seat adjustment. So as you can see here, ginaporma pa nila ang isa ka Kaye nga SUV kay sold out naman eh. So ilahang giplastar og taman and ilahang i-detail. So napoy feature na smart boy system, and ang warehouse nila kay dako kayo, masigo ang daghang sakyanan. And sa after sales wala tay problema kay kompleto sila og mga parts po. So soon in Davao, we are hoping na maka-open ta maskin gamay nga dealership sa Kaye para makaabot sa Mindanao and Visayas ang unit na Kaye. So ang Kaye X7 has different colors like the stone gray, the luminous mint green, the pearl white, and the black. It also has two tank caps for gasoline engine, and the other one is for the electric vehicle charging. So dako po ang iyahang sunroof o kompleto po siya og mga freebies. Ang rim sa iyahang ligid is 19 for the premium 1 and 20 for the premium 2. So as you can see here, nag-charge ang atong sakyanan using the charging port and the wall charger connected to the grid. Yan. So same lang din siya para sa ubang brands. So from 15% to 75% in around 2 to 3 hours charging via 7 kilowatts. And Kaye X7 has a sophisticated features of the car for safety. It has ADAS, it has lane assisting, it has also an overhead cruise control monitoring. So hello guys, we're here na sa Kaye X7 unit. Yan. So mo ni siya ang unit nga Kaye X7 7-seaters automatic plug-in PHEV or plug-in hybrid with EV mode and gas mode. So for full tank, it will run around 1,200 kilometers, and for an electric full EV, it will also run for one full charge, will run for about 120 to 150 kilometers. So makita gid nimo kung unsa ka tipid ang imuhang magastos. Kaya maskin mahal na ang presyo sa gasolina, makatipid gihapon ka with Kaye X7. So unsa pa man inyong ginahulat, pag-inquire na mo sa Kayi X7 Davao Facebook page, and soon we will launch sa Davao for this unit. And for the first 5 customers, you will have a combined 300,000 pesos discount and freebies. So what are you waiting for? Inquire na sa Facebook page or text me through my number 0927-291-1603. And if you want to know more about Kayi X7, just set an appointment for viewing and you will check on the features of the car as well as seeing the car personally. You can also reach us on our Facebook, Kayi X7 Davao, for more information and inquiry.